Technical difficulties. I meant to turn my camera off, but so I could take the shrink wrap off this, but I turned it off accidentally. So let's see if we can open this one. Let's see. Okay, well, okay. So down here we've got a little. This part would go for a GoPro, which I don't have. One day maybe I'll get one. I did buy a Midland brand, and it was really nice. And then it died. I had insurance, but I never sent it to get fixed. So, let me also do this. There we go. I'm in wide angle mode. I don't know why I wasn't in wide angle. So, that's what I like to shoot in. Looks cooler. I can film more. So there it is, you guys. Feels rubbery right here, which is nice. I think this was like maybe $20 something, $25. It feels kind of tough. Okay, I'm pretty sure this extends. Now you can see it's got the adjustment for the ball head, which swivels. I'm trying to do this with one hand, of course. It's got a crooked side mount. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that for like a light or a microphone, which I guess is okay. Let's see if we can extend this. Okay, there we go. So that's what I like. I like this one because it was black. I don't like the silver ones. I don't want any reflections. So this would. I'm kind of in my car now, so this would stand like that. That's as tall as it gets. So need to dust this car off. And this is the. How do you open this? It looks like it slides out. Yes, it does. Okay. I really like this one. This was like $30. It's all metal. Sorry about that. Comes in this nice thick foam protected case. And as you can see, wow, okay, it does swivel this way. It does, I got the wrong one. This one does not tilt this way. So this is not my favorite. It just swivels. Okay. So looks like I may be getting another one of the other kind. I don't see it should have a swivel here, but I bought this really quick so I could try and get it next day, which I did. But luckily we have a swivel on here, so let's put that on without stripping it. Is it going on? Hang on a second. You don't want to strip things. There we go. Now you can tighten this part. I only have one hand, so I can't do much. But yeah, here we go. Not bad. Now I can tilt the ball head this way and that way. So this works together, yeah. You can also push it down. For a short tabletop one, film stuff close up. So yeah, a nice little setup. It doesn't fold up that small. Some of the cheap ones fold completely flat this way. But this is nice for about $55 maybe. You got the metal top, aluminum or whatever it is. You got the rubbery plastic bottom with the metal ball. So yeah, that's again the Ulanzi M16 extendable vlog tripod. So you can use it for vlogging. Yeah, you can put your camera in there. You can vlog. I don't want to put mine in here now because I don't want to drop it. You can tighten it. And paired with the Ulanzi S27 Ironman 4 phone clip. So thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in for more unboxing videos and for my Walmart and other videos. Chris Lambert signing out.